because this polishing wheel can do some serious damage. I have a friend who we just made him a custom necklace, and the whole guy's finger is all hanging right now because the necklace got tangled up in this wheel and it just spun and took his finger with him. So thank your jeweler for polishing your jewelry, because he risks his life. Never polish with a tie on, because if that thing gets stuck in that wheel, it's going to take it. See you guys later. Always wear a mask, and you got to wear safety glasses. I'll get them.